How to check blocked accounts on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then select Settings and Privacy from the bottom. Now, go to Privacy. Here, scroll down to the end and tap on Blocked Accounts. You can view all your blocked accounts on TikTok over here. You can also unblock them from here anytime. Following these steps, you can easily check blocked accounts on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.